It's time to answer your compliance and quality assurance questions with our experienced CAQA team. How do I attract students when I'm competing against fee-free TAFE offerings?
It's critical for you to differentiate yourselves, highlighting your unique selling points like specialized programs and flexible learning options can make a big impact.
So strengthening your industry connections is the key. You can provide real value by ensuring that your courses are directly relevant to workplace needs and offering work-integrated learning opportunities, and this can give you an edge in the market. It's about showing the tangible outcomes of your training.
Well, I think that's actually a really great idea. Offering scholarships and flexible payment plans can be a game changer for prospective students concerned about costs. It's about making your courses accessible to those who might be discouraged by upfront fees.
Also, building a community and alumni networks is also vital. Showcase success stories and engaging alumni as brand ambassadors can really boost your leads. Hosting free workshops and seminars can be another way that you can enhance community engagement.
For more information, contact CAQA on 1800 266 160 or email info@caqa.com.au.